Good morning, one and all. Myself, Nagaraj H, Senior Scale Librarian, Government First Grade College for Women, Pavagada, Tumkur District. Topic 4, Best Resources of Session 35, Directories. A directory of directories lists the directories available on a particular topic or pertaining to a particular area. A directory is a book listening name and address of people and organizations. Directories are also very important reference tools in the library. Locate organizations, persons, contacts, or businesses. Directories are of many types, of which telephone directories are most common. In the directories, two types: printed directories and online directories. We will get information both formats, printed also and online directories also. Directory types: telephone directories, second one topological directories, third one organizational directories, fourth one professional directories, fifth one trade and business directories. We will discuss one by one in briefly. Telephone directories. Every city in a country has a telephone directory giving information about telephone numbers of the subscriber. It provides subscribers details, individuals, companies, contact address, telephone numbers. These directories are usually compiled by private publishers or post telephone departments. These directories are location specific. Examples: MTNL Delhi directories, second one India telephone directories, third one the directory is also available online and can be searched statewise as well as on the map of India. For example, in BSNL website we will get telephone directories, even though online directories we will get information through online to www.bsnl.co.in online directories. We will discuss second types of directories, topological directories. Topological directories are directories of towns, cities, regions of a country. For example, directory of cities, towns and regions in India list states and union territories. Under each state, the directory provides alphabetical list of cities. Information given under each town or city is its population, latitude and longitude levels and location on the map. www.filinggrind.com. We will get information in topological directories in the below website. See, we will see topographic directories. Mainly, we will focus on cognate places India. We will get in longitude and longitude also, and time zone also. And then, see, we will get these topological directories, and longitude and latitude also. We will get population to the radium from this point, and the weather charts also we will get in topological directories. And then time zone also we will get. For example, time zone is Kolkata. We will get time zone also in India. These the geographical map of topological directories. Third one, organizational directories. These directories list academic institutions, a research institution. An academic institution directly may a list of institutions of higher education and learning such as universities and colleges. Organizational directories, academic institutions information providing, types of courses and facilities offered, and eligible criteria also, names of the senior staff members also. These directories may be international or national in coverage. These directories, this all information will get in organizational directories only. For example, the Europa World of Learning 2010 Second one, Directory of Indian Environmental NGOs in India, published at www.india. Organizational directories, we will see this is the organizational directories chart. United States Department of States, 2201C Street, NH, Washington, DC. We will get these organizations and these cities, how many organizations is there. We will see this chart. Fourth one, professional directories. These are thousands of learned societies and associations in the world in almost every significant field of knowledge. Members of these associations are scholars. See, professional directories, this chart we will get church directories, like that we will see in directories, professional directories. Fifth one, trade and business directories. These directories provide information about trade, business and industries, usually provides industry profile, information on each companies within that industry. The company information includes date of incorporation, statement of objectives, activities and a final financial summary available in website form. Directories are often location specific. For example, trade directories and business directories, Kothari Industrial Directory of India, 14th edition, 1996, published by Kothari Enterprises. C. This chart we will get trade directories, another one business directories. This simple chart we will get trade and business directories informations. This topic is very simple topic. Thank you, one and all.